Welcome back everyone, my name is Traap. Today we're going to cover Neovim environment hopping. What I mean by that is we're going to change the actual runtime environment of Neovim that I have, the package managers that I'm using, the plugins that are being used, and I'm going to do that without destroying my production environment, and I'm not going to do this with backing up any files. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I destroy everything and I start over because I want to make sure that when I set up a new computer, it always just simply works. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take a look at the file that I used to do this. The links for all this is going to be in the window below. What you're going to see is just a simple bash script that it sets the Neovim environment that I want to operate on. Parameter 1 is the path to the variable, as an example, get envim Traap. So that's the symbolic link will be created to that directory. Anything that was in the .config directory, packages, anything to do with Neovim is going to be removed in the remove Neovim config function, and in the directory that you're pointing to, it will remove any package tracking files. So if we take a look at what I mean by that, we're going to see in the Neovim config pack function, we specifically are eliminating the cache, the config, local share, and local state. Obviously, the final suffix was envim. Those directories are completely removed. I do not prompt, I simply remove them. And the local packages being removed, I do remove the lazy lock file, the package lock file, and the plugin directory itself. So this makes that directory look like it would if you cloned it. If those files are there, I go ahead and delete them anyway. And the reason I do this is I do not want movement from one Neovim package to another Neovim package and then back to interfere with that initial bootstrapping. And so I found that this is the cleanest way for me to do this. So I also have a file called a function called record Neovim in use, and which simply echoes the name of the environment to a file that I can delete at any time. That file name is in your root path. It's called Neovim in use. Okay to delete. Pretty self-explanatory there. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch to a default Neovim configuration, and then we'll go on to other videos. Default Neovim configuration by typing set Neovim default, and I now have a base Neovim configuration with no package managers at all. So if I go to my .config directory and I do an alias in my machine, you notice that there is no symbolic link to envim anywhere. So if I look for an envim directory, there is no envim directory on this particular computer at this point. So when I type Neovim, I'm getting nothing. Remember, this is a 7-part video series where I'm covering different Neovim installations. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. I've got a new microphone, so I'd like to get feedback on whether the audio quality is improving. Thanks again for watching. This is Traap. I'm out. May God bless you.